Alright guys, welcome back. Today we've got a few goodies. And today I picked up a grill. Now, if you've seen some of my videos, you'll notice that my current grill is missing the VW logo, so I can't have that. It's something that I need to address, and I'll do it today. My current MK4 gear shifter is completely gone, and I think it's a cheap eBay one. And today, luckily, I've also found a carbon fibre, genuine carbon fibre gear shift knob and surround, which includes the boot. And I think the person, when I purchased it, he said that it's a genuine one because there's a part number on there, 1J071146. So leathers. So yeah, a bit of a sneak peek there. But when the time comes, I'll get it ready. But yeah, we'll get started on the paint, and then when it's drying, I'll start doing the trim, interior, and off we go. Alright, so before I paint it, I'm just going to give it a wipe down with some paint cleaning. Make sure there's no oils and residue. Then I should be able to paint on top of this with my Rust-Oleum 2X Ultra Cover. Bonds to plastic. I tested it on my spare one, and 2 coats look awesome. Might even use it for some trim. So that's how it's going to look. Get started. So I have painted before, painted some bumpers, trim in the past, so as always, test it. That's the colour. Comes up a bit more flat than what it looks like. When you're starting, just start with light coats. And then on the second coat you can full send it. That's it. So yeah, I'll leave that to dry for 10 minutes or so, work on something else, come back and put on another 2 layers. that. Alright, back again. I've got this VW logo off now, and it looked a bit strange without the logo, but got something now to put back on. Installing it on should be pretty easy. There you go. Had to give it a bit of, just like that. It's looking awesome again. Right, let's go inside and do the shift knob. But before we go into the shift knob, let's have a look at the paint. It's not too bad. Yep. We'll do a bit of another layer on top now, see how we go. So this time I'll paint from a different angle so it gets some other parts that I've missed. Shake well. Off we go. So painting and recording on one hand, or one hand each, is a bit strange, so forgive me. Alright, that's 2 coats, 1 more coat, and then let it dry before we can pop it onto the car. But it's going to look sick. Can't wait. Now onto the shift knob. Right, so for the shift knob we're going to need a screwdriver for the replacement Triple E clips underneath when we put it on. That's the new shift knob. I'm going to carry these, I don't know, bulldog pliers just in case I need to remove the old one. It's a one-time clip usually, so oof, that logo changes everything. I'll just put that down there. Right, before I swap it out, just want to show you how terrible condition it is. Like, someone's actually stapled it. So this is like some eBay, it's not even the OEM GTI wood grain one. If it was a wood grain one, I'd try and save it and maybe change it to boot, but it's just a cheapie. What you normally do here is just unclip the bottom. And yeah, this is going to go in the bin, I think. And undo. Oh, it's not even done up properly. Just came off. This one had like a one-time clip that looks pretty shit house. This should be pretty easy. Alright, let's grab some tools. Alrighty. So before we put that on, grab a clip, chuck it in somewhere. Pop the shift knob on, make sure it's straight. and that's already looking like it belongs there. Yeah. I'm gonna have to put the phone down to do this next part. It's done. So, carbon fibre, original OEM shift knob. Fuck, it feels nice in the hand too. It's nice and solid. Perfect. That completes the look. I mean, I wouldn't mind having red stitching going through this at a later stage, but that's awesome. Let's get out of the car. Alright. Okay, so can probably do a third and final spray, and this time I'll do it from a different angle, and that should be good. So here we go. That's it. (2X) Ultra Cover paint and primer. Looks sick. Comes out sick. So the finished product should look something like this, which, in all honesty, looks pretty good. Now, I didn't even prep this, I just sprayed on top to see what it looked like, since it was a spare. But yeah, it looks good. Alrighty, so it's almost done. That looks awesome. Time to install them and see how we go. Right, so let's put the first one on and see how it looks. So because I wanted all of them to look the same, I actually took the middle one to get it repainted, and it should just clip on if it's OEM. That's the first one. Second one. And then I'll save the middle one for last, but it's turned out great. There you go. Second one is in. Holy moly. That's my old one. I'm going to use the new one that I just painted. Mind you, I painted the old one as well, just to freshen it up. Right, so oh man, that looks sick now. Might just cut across to cinematics to give it justice. Right, well that concludes the video. Very happy with how it looks. A45 AMG. Yeah, look, thanks for coming on the journey with me for the grill and the carbon fibre shifter. And see you guys next time.